Yes, my people, blessings, blessings, all go on. Weather condition, my people. It's a rainy day. Yeah, my people, all go on world. Checking in live from Canada, my people. It's a rainy day. Yeah, man. Today I see him way, you know. Today I pack up some apple. That's how we there go on with, you know, guys. That I go on. Yeah, man. Early morning setting, brother. See apple them pretty. Nice and pretty this morning. See it. So that's how we are going with, guys, you know. They up on the earth, man. Go and put in some hours. The rain a be everywhere. Yeah, man, the weather a be everywhere, youth. Giovanni, what go on? Pit. We are going with Pit. Yeah, man. We are going with Mr. Giovanni. Up, up, up. Doing good, sir. There, man. There, funny. Checking in, my people. Outside, Bobby. What go on, sir? Yeah, man. They are putting in the work, boy. Man, it's that time again in winter. Come you see in the background. Yeah, man, some snow there near. That we are going with, you know. Water go on, pa water go on. Yeah, man, I say, look, it's a wet day. Weather condition, brother. Yeah, man. There's still a few minutes from the boss time in the morning, my people. Forward from the road, but place wet up. Weather. So, yeah. So if we dip in about 15 minutes in time and jump on the live. Yeah man, it's a good look for you, but Bobby, but when the weather come boy, and we go, finger burning like pepper. You see me feeling a two pull over me feeling, you know. Plus my shirt underneath. You know? To keep warm. I'm in a 3 pants right now. And two pair of thick socks. So right now I have to wear one shoes. The 10 and a half. I have to wear now. And normally I 8 half and 9 me wear. But I have to wear one bigger shoes now for can get room for your double socks. You see me? Yeah man. Well, I hear my people.